How to download Netflix app on laptop. So basically, if you want to download Netflix app on laptop, it is actually quite very simple to do so. The Netflix app is officially still available within the Microsoft Store. You simply have to search for it by opening up your Microsoft Store here. Once you open your Microsoft Store, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see, where you can just search for the Netflix app from the search bar here. Once you search for it, you'll find the Netflix application there, and you just have to click on the get button over there in order to be able to download this app. In my case, I've already downloaded it. That's why you're seeing the open button. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind is that this is an application from Windows, so basically it does not have that much features like you have on smartphones. So there are some limited things, like you are not able to download for offline users, but you can still watch them online with your Netflix account. Either way, I hope this pretty much summed it up for you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.